The NSA scandal highlights the critical role of internal audit as the first line of defense against corruption. It underscores the importance of independence, competence, and integrity within internal audit functions to maintain institutional integrity. The recent alleged scandal at the National Service Authority in Ghana serves as a stark reminder of the consequences when these mechanisms fail. A forensic audit uncovered massive irregularities, including ghost names on the payroll and payments to individuals of impossible ages, resulting in estimated losses of around $2.2 billion. This case study raises crucial questions about the effectiveness of internal audit and control mechanisms. Key failures, such as manual overrides of the electronic system, lack of segregation of duties, and inadequate oversight, suggest a breakdown in the system. If internal audit and control units were functioning optimally, how could such extensive fraud persist undetected? This prompts a central question: what was the internal audit unit doing during this period? Were they independent, adequately resourced, skilled, and empowered to act? The health, credibility, and survival of an institution depend on the internal audit function's independence and integrity. To prevent future breakdowns, it is essential to restore the internal audit function's role as a guardian of integrity. This involves ensuring independence, clarity of remit, resources, competence, and courage within the internal audit unit. The NSA scandal emphasizes that the internal audit function is not a mere formality, but a vital component of institutional health. Defending the independence and integrity of the internal audit unit is crucial for building strong, credible, and sustainable institutions. Institutions must prioritize the internal audit function, providing adequate resources, skilled personnel, and a clear mandate to act effectively. Empowering the internal audit unit is essential to protect institutions from corruption and promote good governance. By prioritizing the internal audit function, we can safeguard institutional integrity and ensure a robust defense against corruption.